think you are a new kind of Jane Austen, but the only thing I've ever seen of you was a commercial spot on the screen. Movie star, oh movie star, you think you are a movie star, oh movie star, you think you are a movie star. You should belong to the jet set, fly your own private jet, but you worked in the grocery store every day until you could afford to get away. So you went to Sweden to meet Ingmar Bergman. He wasn't there or he just didn't care. I think it's time for you, my friend, to stop pretending that you are a movie star, movie star. You think you are a movie star, movie star. You think you are a movie star. Frozen hero, your words are zero, your dreams have vanished into dark long ago, but you don't want to know.